subway station?
It's metro.
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 Yeah. So it's like
That's
train,
new.
right?
New. It's over there new.
Ah.
Previously it was not there.
How long does it take to go to New Delhi?
Nobody knows. चंदू की दुकान सामने मैं वहीं रुकूंगा गाड़ी में चालक घर जाके दे देना उनको देना मैं दे दूँगा हाँ उनको दे दूँ मैं गाड़ी में बैठा हुआ हूँ It's easy driving in India, but the difficult thing they can just be anywhere.
Everywhere.
They can say. So when you
Be
want
very
to,
careful.
yeah, so when you want to drive in India, you require at least three things in India: good luck to drive on the road, good horns, and the good brakes. Yes, if you have that three things, you can drive.
But a lot of time I hear people horning. They horn a lot. Everybody horn.
It's good.
Really?
Horn.
But it's
So
too
another
much.
person understand.
But too much, isn't it? You see everyone horn. Everyone horn.
This line? No. This is not the village. Village is on the other side.
This is another station already. So fast. Within the same stretch, you have two stations.
City. This is city. The village is on the other side.
I missed the most exciting sight just now when suddenly people crisscross right and left.
Okay. It's closed, but still you will cross.
Yeah.
वहाँ से चलना वहाँ से पैसा लेना है
Do you agree if you can drive in India, you can drive anywhere else in the world?
That's very true.
Yeah, because it must be so good here.
If you can drive in India, you can drive in world. Yes.
Where is the buffalo? It's gone.
English style building over here.
This
Because-
is considered English style, is it?
Yes, because the English has been ruled over here. निकाल दो easy. Defense, so here you will not find the police, but on that side because that's like the civil. And here you can see the signboards has been placed, defense land.
Oh,
Defense
yes,
land.
yes.
Because you know it was a part of the English Empire, but as the Indian government has basically came up over here, they captured this area, and they just basically make this area as army compound. So due to that, it is called as a defense land.
Mm-hmm.
Cow on your now you can see the catch on the screen.
Oh, yeah.
So they collect the cow poop over here. This is all the cow dung. That's
Oh.
they basically collected and they use as a fuel.
Oh,
Yes,
the cow food. Oh, yeah, a lot of them
and
inside.
they're having a couple cows over there too.
I realized the cow food is flattened, so they deliberately flatten it
Mm.
to stack it up.
Yes,
Oh.
to make it dry easy.
Then they can use it as fuel.
They can use as a fuel because still some of
Fuel
the
for what?
fuel for lighting or to make food or something like that.
Oh, literally. Even for cooking?
Yes.
I see. No more cows.
Yes. There, so they're taking food to transport.
Uh-huh. Transfer food?
Yes, because some of the people are basically very still just basically living from that families, so they doesn't want to be adopted like modern equipments, modern things. They just do the same as their family do that.
Using horse to
Horses,
transport food.
houseboats, like
Mm.
now less camel and elephants,
Mm.
but more horses. बता दो। So this is a Tajview Wine Club over here. It's called because the army station over here, bus stop on that side.
Mm.
And on this side, we can find this the army compound where they do the training and practice on this side. This part. So that's why no photography, prove your identity is written over there.
No, so beyond cannot.
Yeah, so they're having a lot of area which is still under the so in the backpacks you don't have many things now again. You don't bring the backpacks over there again. No backpacks.
Just leave
Maybe we are
things
almost
here.
there.
Yes, almost there.
You can see the red rock.
अभी फोन करता हूँ। उसकी बर्थडे है आज 2000 रुपये चूना लगा दिया। आ जाएंगे। कल मैं गया था मैं नहीं बात करी। मैं गया था मैं नहीं बात करी थी। आ जाएंगे। ऐसा होता है ऐसा होता है।
Oh, there's another look salon here on the second floor.
मैं नहीं बोलता ऐसा होता है। चलो चलो।
Indian flag color.